My name is Melanie Harrison and I'm the owner of the Harrison Chambers of Distinction in Belfast. I've been away, I've had all my amazing experiences in all the different countries I've lived in. I've really loved it, I really relished it. But I really thought it was time to come home when I just saw Belfast was thriving. Where we are now in South Belfast, it's just right in this cultural quarter. You've got so much going on with theatre, with music, and I was really excited to come back and just be in the middle of that. The Harrison is on the Malone Road here, near the Queen's University, Ulster Museum, Botanic Gardens. With 30 rooms here, each with their own story and each with their own personality. It's such a unique place to stay. I've always admired this beautiful row of houses, and I saw that one of the buildings was up for auction. So I was successful in the auction. I was able to secure the building. So I started with one room to test it out, and then I expanded very organically. Now I have got 5 of these buildings, all joined together through a Narnia wardrobe that you enter by to go down into the Napoleon's Nose Lounge. Each room celebrates a Belfast character, the likes of C.S. Lewis, Oscar Wilde, Van Morrison, Samuel Beckett, John Lavery the painter. What surprised me most about moving back to Northern Ireland is how easy it was just to slip back in. It was as if I'd never really left. I was welcomed back with open arms. Everybody was really gracious and whatever they could have done. So I just think it's a great business community. Anyone thinking of returning to Northern Ireland to start a business, I would say this is a fantastic time to do it. Belfast is buzzing at the moment. There's great opportunities, fantastic culture, great crack. Absolutely do it. So in the words of Dorothy, there's no place like home.